Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to, I want to say kind of like a come with me or maybe even like a plant tour, but I wanted to go ahead and share with you the space that I'm staying at in the East Bay for my belly dance summer annual intensive. And my host is such a sweetheart and she's also a plant lady, so I wanted to go ahead and kind of do a tour of her plants on the outside of her home. And she also has a really fun house plant in her home, which I actually spotlighted on my Instagram story yesterday, and she's so sweet. And I told her about my YouTube channel and she said I'm free to take whatever cuttings I want from her yard. So I'm gonna do that first thing in the morning tomorrow on my way out, because I am flying back to Santa Monica tomorrow night. So I want to give you guys just kind of a glimpse. It's like the golden hour. It's a little after 8 p.m. and so I just kind of want to do a little tour, and I'll do the clippings tomorrow morning so that I have them nice and fresh. Here is the inside of her home here, and this is on the inside of her little gate here. So when you walk in, you see a bunch of different things that really catches my eye from the get-go. I see a beautiful monstera, and this is growing in the yard, guys. So if you take a look at this is a brand new leaf, and look at how perfect this is. And the funny thing is that she doesn't know any of the names of the plants that she has, but I had to go ahead and tell her that I was so impressed to see a monstera in her yard growing wild. So take a look at that perfect brand new leaf, and it's definitely on the hardy side. And even like this beautiful monstera is absolutely amazing. And then you come down here and there's, looks like, I don't know what this is. It's quite interesting, and she has it growing out of a little tin. And then there's also, I don't know if that's a begonia, I'm not too sure. But if you just take a look here, there is just all kinds of greenery going on, and I love this part of the home that has that nice green vines growing up. It gives that really nice homey type of vibe. So coming along here, she has some jades here, and I'm probably gonna get some clippings maybe off of this guy. And look at how cute her donkey's tail is. It's like a mini version here. And then she also has a bunch of different plants that I have, so aeoniums. And then also this is a cressula, and I actually have this, and I spoke about it in my Pot of Fame June edition, and look at how cute it is. And then coming along to this side, she has some aloe, and I think I want to say this is some kind of fern here. And then I'm not too sure what this is, but I'm definitely going to get a cutting of this. Let me know down in the comments below if you know the name of this particular succulent. I think it's absolutely cute. And apparently, if this is it, it's called an Echeveria sleepy. And I am definitely going to get cuttings of this, which I think is so stunning. I've never seen this before. And then moving along to here, I see some Echeverias. I see some elephant's food here, hiding over there on the bottom. I want to say this is a fern, I'm not too sure. And then the Cressula ovata. And then some more, I want to say this is an aloe here, and a bunch of different things here. So very cool to see. And then the fern goes all the way up, 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 up. And then she has another Burroughs donkey tail here. And then coming along this side, she has more beautiful aeoniums here. On the opposite end here, she has some edibles. I see some tomatoes growing here. So she is definitely a green thumb, and that's really, really inspiring to see. On the outside of the wooden gate, she has a bunch of these guys here. I would love to get some cuttings of this. And then walking alongside of her home, she has a bunch of different succulents here. So I'll probably get some cuttings of this just because it'll remind me of her home. And then it just kind of keeps on going. I would love to get some cuttings of this as well. I don't have this succulent. And got more here, some bigger ones here. I want to say this is mint. peppermint smells like. And then got more succulents here. They're just tucked away and I love it. And then look at all the beautiful color here. So stunning. And we got some tomatoes growing here. Look at how cute that is. She has more succulents here. I'd love to get a cutting of this. She has some tucked away here. And I don't know what this is. And then if you look up here, there's an alloy over here. And it just goes on and on. This is an interesting tree. Then I'm gonna give you another pan shot. Here's some lavender here. And then more succulents. So this is kind of what the space looks like from the front. And I am in love with her space. And we are in the East Bay. And I just love how there's different succulents tucked away. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna grab her scissors and take some cuttings with me. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. And I'm super excited to get some cuttings. Let me know down in the comments below, what did you think about her space? And I think it's so cool to see someone else into plants and how they style them in their home. I need to wrap up for the night because I am leaving, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little plant tour, and stay tuned for a haul of all of the cuttings that I take back with me to Santa Monica, which I'll have to have them like packed up neatly to take back on the plane. I'll see you guys back in Santa Monica. Aloha. Bye.